Hey everyone, today I have a new try on haul for you guys. I got a bunch of stuff from ASOS, a very me thing to do. But today the whole theme is like Christmas parties, New Year's Eve parties, all of the holiday parties. I haven't tried any of this stuff on yet. This is not one of the items. I'm just being comfy cozy before I get very sparkly and velvety, and I really went there with like the holiday trends. Like we've got sequins, we've got velvet, we've got metallic jumpsuits, suits, actual suits. If you want to dress down, I do recommend this. Just buy this and just never take it off until, that's my plan. And yes, we're kind of down to the wire right now, like Christmas parties, work Christmas parties, New Year's stuff, like it's all upon us. It's breathing down our necks. Like if you don't have something to wear, like it's a good time to look. And that's where ASOS comes in for me. Pretty much every time I have the 2-day shipping thing, so it saves my life every time. I did go a little out there with it. When do I not? But basically I just wanted to find the fun stuff. Try it on, let you know how it works. Maybe you'll find a favorite. Maybe you'll find some inspiration for your holiday party outfit. Hopefully what I'm doing has a purpose. Haven't figured that out on my end, so let's be real, it's up to you. All right. Let's do this. Wow, never again. I'd like to introduce you to my co-host. She's a hardworking lady. This is dress number 1, and I wanted to start it off with a bang. I wanted to start it off with a favorite. I was so excited to try on this dress. It's a wrap dress, and it's half sequins and half velvet. The best of both worlds. I never would have imagined this kind of design would actually work, but I think it does. It's a really, really beautiful, like midnight blue color. I feel like this dress is like, yes, it does have like a sexy factor. It is a little bit scandalous. It is showing a little bit more up here, but it's not super form-fitting. I guess just depending what party you're going to, I think this could work for a semi-conservative situation. Obviously up to you, but I really like this one. I don't know about you, but I am really, really down for this like half and half design. The sequins, the sparkle, but also the velvet. It's just interesting. It's different. I love the detail, and it's not uncomfortable, which is saying a lot when it comes to like party outfits. You know, we've all seen Clueless. It is what it is. You don't really want to be uncomfortable. The one thing I will say I'm kind of uncomfortable with about this dress, I put my trust in ASOS size suggestion. I shouldn't have. This one is a little bit small. The only way that you could tell is if I had a little slip up down here, because the only place this actually fastens is right here where you tie it, and there's nothing holding this right here together. I'm just gonna let you know we are about a few millimeters away from like a major slip up, like a slip up to remember. That should be a title for like a romantic comedy. It's a sequel to A Walk to Remember. Anyway, I would definitely recommend this dress for a holiday party. I think it would look good on a lot of body types. I think it would look amazing on like every skin tone ever. This is so beautiful. I'm feeling this. It's gorgeous. Yeah. Ah, there's fuzz on the floor from my fluffy slippers. There's a downside to everything in this life. Oh well. So this is the next dress. I'm not sure if any of you guys will be as into it as I am. And to be honest with you, I was a little wary when I actually opened the package and I was like, why did I pick this? But I remember. This is like the 70s Christmas maxi dress of my dreams. I am so into this dress. Yes, it is very covered, heavily covered, like ankles, wrists, everything except, well, I guess a little bit here, but not that much. So if you're really trying to like tread lightly on the scandal for the holiday party, this is a good one, especially if you're a fan of the 70s like I am. It is just like red all over. We've got a pattern here, but it's just solid red. We've got a big bow in the front. Right when I first put it on, I was like, is this a gender reveal holiday party? I don't know. It could easily go that way. Like you could easily like have a bump or hide a bump, whatever you want. It is kind of see-through though. So I'd say match your underwear to your skin tone, or dare I say, wear a slip. But generally, I really like this. It's kind of like a faux wrap dress, like you don't actually have to tie it over, which I kind of like because then there's no fear of like a slip up to remember. I love the dramatic everything. This is like, I'm walking in, you're noticing me, and it's not because I'm like showing skin, and it's not because I'm covered in sequins. It's like a whole other thing. Oh, can you imagine this with like a white fur coat? I need to try this. So this is not the ideal fur jacket I would put with this, but this is what I have, so it's just fine. It's my little scammer jacket. Are you into this? Because I'm into this. Am I crazy? Y'all are probably all just like rolling your eyes. And I'm just like living my life. I'm here. I feel like I could be in a Christmas musical in this. I mean, give me the part. I'm ready for the show. All right. Time for something a little bit different. I've got some super, super high-waisted, wide-leg pants with really cute sailor buttons up the front. They're big, they're gold. I think they're so cute. Show me a pair of sailor pants. Is it, correct me if I'm wrong, is that a sailor thing? In my mind, it is. But show me any pants that have this kind of button situation and I will want them. I did get these from the tall section, so they are extremely, extremely long, like even longer than my heels. I'm not really sure what shoes I should wear them with. I thought these would be cute, but on top, I have this extremely, extremely shiny, like blind your eyes. It's almost like if a shirt was a highlighter, this would be it. It's button up and it's way more cropped than I expected it to be. To be honest with you, I didn't think it was a crop thing at all. Like, I will bet you money it says like cropped in the title of the item. I feel very Fran Fine in this outfit. And if you know me at all, that is a personal dream, a personal goal. She's a style icon. I feel like I would have killed for this shirt when I was like in elementary school. Did anyone else live that life? I don't really know if this little shred of skin being out in cold weather is a good idea, but the holidays come but once a year. What can I say? Okay, this is by far the craziest one out of all of them. What even is this? And yes, I picked it, and yes, it is like an inch too small in every area. I kind of love it, but I'm just gonna say right now, like, I'm not gonna wear this. Wow, look at these pockets. It has pockets, oh my god. Should have sized up. I feel like I'm wrapping paper. Like some of that wrapping paper used to sell in like a school fundraiser. Did you guys have to do that? Did they like send you out door to door? Like extremely dangerous, I would think. But somehow most of us survived. This is like that metallic holiday wrapping paper. Do you remember? This is like a jumpsuit, if you can't tell, because there is a lot going on down here, but it's a split front leg, and yes, the splits go like all the way up. In my experience with the split front leg thing, they're very dangerous because they could show a lot more than you are willing to show. These, however, if the wind really blew, something could show, but I feel like these are a little bit more safe. I'm probably the first person in the history of people to say that this outfit is safe, but it is. The downside is that this material would definitely itch over time. A lot of metallic fabrics do that to me. But this, I mean, what can I even say? What is there even left to say after you've walked in somewhere wearing this? You probably don't even need to say anything. You just like come in, get your food, get your drink, bust out your moves, and then just leave. You don't need to introduce yourself. The jumpsuit says it all. This is a moment, but I don't think it's my moment. I'm a lot, but I think that this jumpsuit is more than me. What do you guys think? Probably you think I'm crazy, but you know, what's new? I don't think I can completely explain what's been going on within me in the last couple of months, but I have been infatuated with suits, like 80s power suits, and I've decided to make that dream a reality, as you can already see. I didn't put on a top underneath. I would definitely recommend putting on a top underneath so you could take the jacket off if you wanted to. I literally didn't put it on just because I have a lash appointment really soon and I'm in a hurry. But look at this suit. I kind of love it. Oh, I've got big obnoxious gold buttons. Are you noticing a trend? And I also feel like it fits really well. I'm new to the suit world. I don't really know how it's supposed to work. I do think like the pants are a little funny. Like it's a little bit extra baggy like in the booty. I don't think they're supposed to be skin tight or anything. They are extremely high-waisted, which I love that. But like there's a little extra room like in this area, you know what I mean? But like, are suits supposed to be like that? I'm not sure yet. Let me know. Do you know about suits? Would you wear this to a Christmas party? I feel like I would. I obviously would. This is like the height of Christmas. I feel very exposed though. I do have to say that. I should have taken the extra 2 seconds to put on a shirt underneath. But I like this. Do you like this? Okay, so it's been like 4 or 5 hours. This is not how I usually do a try on haul, but I had to go. I had my lash appointment. I had to make that happen or else. And I also had one more dress I really wanted to show you because it's very interesting and it's very different and I think I really like it. It's kind of like a rust colored velvet. It's all gathered on one side and so it's super asymmetrical and very leggy on one side and it's super, super strappy in the back. And let me tell you, this thing did not want to be on my body. It fought me tooth and nail until I finally beat it into submission. And it's just barely working for me. These straps are just not easy to work with at all. I think they're really, really cute. And overall, I do think this dress is really cute. I think I might be a little too tall for it. I think this little slit action here is probably not supposed to come up quite so high. But overall, I do like the dress. It's kind of like, what can I say? Kate Moss, Cruel Intentions kind of vibe. Do you see it? Except in this kind of orangey velvet. I've never had like a rust velvet dress and maybe it's time. Well, clearly it's time. I've got it on my body. I don't know. I really like it and I think it's really interesting and different, but I'm kind of like, would I even really want to wear this? It is such a struggle to get on and I do feel like the front of it, it's like weirdly stretched out for some reason. I don't know why, I didn't do that. But overall, it is really cute. If I do keep it and wear it, I will definitely have to solicit some assistance with the tan on my back. You might not be able to tell, but there's a large area right here that never gets any fake tan just because I can't reach it. But if I wore this, I would need to make that happen. I will also say it's a little bit thin. So even if you're just doing like little covers, because honestly, you don't have a lot of options like for a bra situation, it kind of shows through and I don't love that. I fully intended that to be the last outfit I was gonna show you, but then I tried on this one. I'm the ghost with the most, babe. Wait a minute. At first I was putting it on and I was like, I don't know, this isn't right. This feels weird. And it definitely does not feel like a wintertime, fall time, anything but spring, summer kind of fabric. It's very lightweight. It's not holiday party, okay? Like this was a miss for me, but it was also a big win. I'm really into it. I really like it. And I think I want to keep it. There's no closure on this top blazer and it's really, really oversized or like super long. I would say this is kind of like an 80s fit. I wasn't really wearing suits in the 80s, but I think this is what they were like. And I'm into it. Also this little like short sleeve, you have to like constantly be doing this all the time. I'm down for that life. I don't know, am I crazy? Have I asked that question 900 times in this video? Probably, but I like this. Grant's here now, what do you think? Give me some feedback.
I think that it's a super unusual look. I think that you would attract a lot of attention with this outfit, but I think you are pulling it off.
I don't know how to take that.
I think you should keep it. Everybody needs the suit up.
Okay, for real this time, this is the last outfit. Okay, bye. Okay, that's everything I have to show you guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to inspire you to find what you're gonna wear to your next holiday party. I hope you have fun. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back every week. I also have a vlog channel. You can find the links to everything in the description. And as always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. Some of it is like not really like family friendly. Should I say that? Am I gonna get demonetized? Please no. Such a oof. Demon X-Files, be gone! Do you think this would be acceptable for a New Year's outfit?